Hello, YouTube.
Hello, governor.
So this is, we'll call this day 3. We'll call this day 3 of flying. We're headed to a new spot and we're gonna check it out. It's super nice out today in Wisconsin. It's 55 degrees in November, which is pretty good. Yeah. All right. It's a little breezy, not too bad.
Easy breezy.
Maybe it's Cover Girl. Or wait, what is it? Easy breezy Cover Girl.
I don't know. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Yeah, that's what I was going for. Maybe it's beauty. Maybe she's beautiful, or maybe it's Maybelline.
I hate you.
Okay, well, let's get this shit out. Let's go. This spot looks really good. So it's really windy out here. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it anyways. We're gonna do it. This place is pretty cool though. There's a lot of stuff to fly around. A lot of fences and poles. This is really windy. This is gonna be a bad idea. This is gonna end badly. Probably gonna break something. I probably shouldn't even fly, but we're gonna do it. This is gonna be like really testing my piloting skills. But I'm feeling more comfortable with the quad now, so it's just gonna be a matter of more learning, I guess. It's more learning for the sake of learning. For the sake of learning. Fuck, it's windy. Ah! Another special part about today is we have the new mount, the new TPU 3D printed mount for the DJI Action 2 that I made. So we're gonna test that out. It should be nice and protected for when I crash into things. So I feel a lot safer now instead of having this just on the hard mount out in the open. Good. We'll get this stopped and we'll put it on the camera. right, so it's really windy and that was really hard. I really like this park, but I'm gonna have to come back when it's not as windy because this is insane. I was like sideways half the time just trying to keep my position, and I definitely did not feel confident enough to fly around things, so we're gonna have to come back another time. But it was pretty fun either way, but it's really windy. Like it's gotta at least be like 20-mile-an-hour winds right now. But didn't crash though, so that's good. Yeah, so I think we're gonna pack up. We'll come back another day.
Dookie.
Yeah, so we'll call it day 3. Why not? I didn't really get to learn much. Oh my god, it's like a fucking sandstorm. All the dust is blowing out from that baseball diamond. Wow. Not a good day to fly. But we'll come back. That was day 3. We'll come back for like day 3.5. I only got one pack in. So either way, I'm feeling more confident with the quad. 5 inches definitely different than a tiny whoop, so it's gonna be it for day 3. See y'all next time. Peace.